Hi friends, first of all very sorry for not updating with videos actually recently. Okay, see last 15 days mostly. So from today onwards I'll be coming up with whatever you expect from Chris Trading Academy. So just whatever the lag happened, right? Just sorry for that. So right now I'm in Tata Motor DVR. Okay, you can go ahead in this Tata Motors as well, but based upon the situation, in the sense as of now the market is stabilizing. Yesterday there was a rally, and yesterday there was a good opportunities in almost all the stocks. Okay, those who were beaten last 20 days, yesterday there was an opportunity before expiry. Today it's an expiry day. Okay, Thursday, right? So this is the trade I am taking now. I have already taken. Let me show you what's the reason I have taken. Okay, there is a small breakout. Okay, just draw the trend line here, touching all the maximum lows. Okay, means most of the lows it should touch. VIX. Okay, you can see the candle VIX, right? Okay, it came down, closed, but there should, I told you, right, there should be a follow through. Is there any follow through after this green candle down upside? No. Okay, the candle also came down and closed above. It's a green candle, not a red candle, right? So no problem with that. And this also came down and gone upside, taken the support. Okay, so now what I have taken is already taken a long position after this. Okay, breakout. Okay, if you can see this, right, it's a triangle breakout. Okay, asymmetric triangle breakout. If you can see, and I already applied the pivot levels also. Let me see weekly pivots also for you to understand better. See the weekly pivot R2 36.3. Okay, this is daily pivots, this is weekly pivots. So and there is no gap fill here, everything is done. So what I'm doing is I have already bought here once the breakout is done, and my stop loss is below this candle only, below this 60 minutes candle, but I have taken the entry on the 5 minutes. Okay, you can go through that 5 minutes chart. Okay, let me show you that also. In 5 minutes what happens is the volumes are not that good enough, right? So that's the reason you can see the candles which are not closing at all, in the sense the candles are not properly built up. Okay, so don't worry about that. The breakout is happened on the upside on the Tata Motors and Tata Motor DVR. Okay, I have taken a heavy quantity so that I can book some 1 rupee here. Okay, something like 80 paise also is a good money, because the quantity will be 10 times bigger than the normal stocks, because the price of this stock is very less, right? So for example 1000 stock you can buy for 35,000. Okay, so the same 10,000 stock also 3,60,000 only, right? So that's the reason I'm telling you it's a heavy quantity thing. And you can see the volumes here. Let me show you the volume here. So every 10 paise will give you 1000. Okay, every 10 paise. So already the breakout happened, so I'll try to book here 36.63, and more than that if it is giving means I'm very lucky. Okay, since I'm expecting that only, means 1 rupee, right? From 35.67 here, almost 1 rupee, some 96 paise, something around that. So let's see how far it will go. I just want to show you this is the way you can build up. There are n number of opportunities. Okay, n number of opportunities in market, and how you turn up that opportunity to a winning trade is what a professional trader will do. Okay, that's the only difference between a novice, means novice in the sense who does always the speculation, and who the professional trader always takes the levels based upon some reason. This is my reason to take the long call on Tata Motor DVR. You can do this on short side in other stock where the trend is bearish. Here the trend is bullish because it was beaten down since last around 15 days. If you can see, what is this date? This is 30th March, sorry, April. So 1 month almost done. So it is trying to bounce back. So see how long it will move. Okay, so this is the thing I just want to share with you. I'll come up with more videos from today onwards. Okay, stay tuned to Krish Trading Academy. Okay, whatever the lag happened, right? What means I didn't upload more videos. So for that, very sorry. I'll keep coming up with more knowledgeable videos, especially which are useful for you. In this, right, what you need to understand basically is, first point, the trend, okay, for time being only, for time being, the trend is getting reversed. Okay, and what I told you is, once the higher highs, higher lows are forming, means Dow theory is satisfied. This is hourly chart. Now what happened here is, if you can see last 7-8 days, means almost 10 days of trading, the breakout happened here. If you can see the range, see this high, again high, this is also almost high, 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 right? And downside, if you see, okay, so the breakout happened in this triangle. Okay, and once it is done, generally bulls will take it to the recent high. What is the recent high? This is the recent high, 38, but I'm taking half of that only, means this area. Okay, and how I'm doing that is placing the pivot levels. Pivot levels will give you the targets and supports. So this is what you need to understand. So you can do this on any chart. Okay, thank you guys.